guys, so hello, good afternoon everyone. For today is I'm gonna show you how to do an isometric plumbing layout using AutoCAD. First and foremost, before we proceed, so always remember yung mga notes that I have been sharing that we always have to organize our utility plans and of course, lahat ng ating working drawings. If we do utility plans, make sure naka-block po ang mga elements na mga nilagay natin sa plano. So, for example, this one is nakabukod siya yung mga walls. Then there you have it. Binukod ko rin yung block for the plumbing fixtures, so yung kitchen sink, the lavatory, water closet, and etc. Naka-block din yung mismong water line, which are yan, mga pipes. Okay, first step is, as we do our isometric plumbing layout, kailangan muna natin gumawa ng another view. As you go to this tab, so kailangan i-check natin ang viewport configuration and we create, so 2 verticals. So i-click nyo lang siya. Notes in navigating, of course, the viewport is you just have to press muna to activate that viewport. So kung ano yung active, so you can see na parang merong blue outline sa mismong active na tab. Okay, next. As you can see, yung workspace natin ngayon is drafting and annotations. But usually, hindi naman ito reflected agad sa mismong pagkabukas nyo ng CAD. So, it would be looking like this only. So, what should you do? So, you just have to press this down arrow. So, as you press the down arrow, hanapin nyo lang kung nasa ng workspace. So, once you pressed or clicked the workspace, pwede nyo siyang baguhin. So, from drafting annotation, what we have to do is 3D basics. So, for advanced AutoCAD, you can explore the 3D modeling. So, it will depend kung ano ba yung kailangan yung gawin with the software. But we go to 3D basics first. Okay, so as you can see, nasa 3D basics na tayo. So, what should we do next? So, we just go to the second tab, we click Visualize. So, now, dito na natin makikita kung paano nga ba gawing isometric view yung isang nilagay nating viewport. And, ayun na siya. So, we just have to click dito sa ating mga views. So, meron na siyang default views kung anong mga orientation like southwest isometric, southeast, so, marami. So, as you can see, by the time na kiniklik nyo siya, nagbabago din yung view cube dito sa upper right of the workspace. Actually, there's a faster way how to do it, and that is by simply clicking the corner part of the view cube. So, pag klinik nyo siya, magiging ganyan na siya. So, it's going to be automatically an isometric view. We have to show the height of the pipe. So, like for example, we have a faucet or a hose bib. So, may shower, may water closet, may lavatory, may kitchen sink rin. We have to project these pipes sa isometric layout natin. So, since naka-block ako, so we just have to right-click, edit block in place. We will try to create muna a pipe dito sa ating faucet or sa hose bib na matatagpuan sa labas ng bahay. Then, as you can see, active yung mismong block ng water line layout. Next, we just have to press L for line. Don't forget that shortcut. As you can see, as we navigate the line, nagsasnap siya kung saan siya aligned. So, we will easily know kung siya ba ay nakataas or nakababa or aligned ba siya kung saang axis. So, as you can see, ayan siya. So, if we try to bring it upward, so we can see nagsasnap siya, nakikita yung broken lines na color green. So, ibig sabihin, that is projected for the isometric layout. Then, we can just simply put the height. So, ayan na siya. Meron na tayong waterline layout. So, the pipe for the hose bib. Then, if you check out this part, is hindi pa siya nagpo-project sa 2D. We can now simply adjust the elements, and as you can see, since siya ay projected na sa isometric, so there are no changes na nakikita natin sa ating 2D na viewport. So, we can actually clean these lines sa mismong isometric para hindi siya redundant and hindi rin po siya mag-reflect kapag tayo ay nag-plot na. Then, and don't forget match prop as we have studied before. Since meron tayong ibang line na na-project, so we just have to make it the same as the waterline layout. So, broken lines yung ating properties ng line ngayon, and kailangan siya ay nakasayan. Since we're going to plot this, we have to make sure that the line weights and line types are uniform with each other. So, dahil naka-block, we just have to save the changes. Then, meron na tayong isometric for this part. Diba? Mabilis lang po siyang gawin. So, we'll try to continue. And you can see, since naka 3D na siya, dito natin makikita kung ano yung mga naka 3D. And we can see na projected na siya sa elevations yung mga pipes. So, nakaangat na po siya in other words. And we're also gonna do the same for the other pipes, which is I'm gonna show it to you right now. So, we just have to edit block and place. For example, here in this part, iba naman yung height ng shower. Then, iba rin yung pipe height for the water closet. Then, we also have the lavatory. So, we just do the same step. Make sure na align siya. We just make sure na nagsasnap siya. So, pag nakita niyo na yung broken lines na green is projected na ulit siya sa isometric layout. So, hindi pa ito yung final na isometric layout natin. So, we can still try to modify these since hindi rin actually mamumove yung mga text and other elements sa mismong isometric natin. Now, what we're going to do is we have to exit muna itong viewport na ito. So, let's assume na we're done already with the isometric layout. So, ayan. Hindi ko pa natatapos yung sa may kitchen sink. Anyway, we're now going to proceed muna with copying this to the other viewport. So, ano nga ba yung kailangan nating gawin? So, hindi pa kasi ito yung ipapakita natin sa mismong plotting, no? Meron pa tayong mga kailangang i-modify with this isometric layout. Next step is, under sa visualize, meron tayong makikita dito na coordinates, no? So, we just have to click this part. So, what we're going to do is this one. So, we have to align the XY plane of the user coordinate system with the screen. So, kailangan makopya natin itong isometric sa mismong 2D layout naman natin sa other side. So, as we click that, mapapansin natin yung mismong cursor natin is hindi na siya pang 3D. Pareho na siya sa mga viewports kahit yung isang viewport ay for isometric. Now, what we're going to do is i-copy lang natin, just simply copy paste, Ctrl C, Ctrl V or Ctrl Shift C. Then, ayan na siya. Meron na tayong isometric layout. Now, this is already close to final. Ngayon, meron tayong mga kailangan baguhin with the isometric view since as we can observe kanina, hindi na move yung mga text. Now, from here, yan, naka 2D na siya. We can now simply edit the text, so modify natin yung ibang details, and kung halimbawa meron pa tayong kailangan baguhin, so we can adjust it here. However, it's gonna be different na since ito ay kinopy na natin na view. So, hindi na ito yung babago na isometric view. Imagine na parang nag-snipping tool tayo ng mismong isometric view. Okay, and just simply plot it. So, do the necessary changes to improve your layout. Then, there you have it. Meron na tayong isometric layout for our waterline.